You're in your 20s, maybe even 30s, but people still think you're 17. Trust me, it's not just genetics, it's signals. Every single day you're sending signals without even realizing it. Your hair, your clothes, the small details. And right now, those signals might be signaling teenager. So today, let's get into why you still look a little too young and how to fix it without changing your face. Your hair has no authority. A major one you should not ignore. Hair is the fastest age shifter on your body. You ever notice how one fresh cut changes everything? A sharp lineup, a good taper, and a clean neckline. You look more mature almost instantly. But then 2 weeks pass. The sides puff out, your neckline grows in, and it all just goes downhill. And then you're back to being a soft baby face. If your hair has no shape, has too much volume on the sides, looks too fluffy instead of controlled texture, and no clean neckline, you're gonna end up signaling that young look. And I'm not saying change your haircut completely. What you need to do is control it. A clean taper, better facial hair, and good styling. All of that goes such a long way. When the frame of your face looks sharp, you're gonna signal more mature. And now let's touch on clothes. You're dressing a little too comfortable. Now don't get me wrong, comfortable is not bad, but it can look young if done wrong. Super oversized hoodies, loud graphic tees, bad shorts, and wrinkled sweats. Now there's a time and place for everything, but if you want to come off a little more mature, you gotta do it right. And doing it right means more structure, thicker fabrics, better silhouettes, clothes that actually hold shape. These take it away from college dorm type fits to a man who knows what he's doing. It's relaxed, but it's still very intentional. So don't get me wrong, you can definitely dress comfortable, but if you want it to look good, you gotta add structure. It can't look lazy on your body. Next, you're lacking small details. This is where a lot of guys tend to mess up, which doesn't make sense because it's so easy. Most guys just throw on clothes. That's it. No watch, no belt, dry chapped lips, neck hair creeping in, all the small things that you may overlook, but people notice. It makes a big difference. A lot of times the maturity lives in the details. One basic watch, could get one for less than $20. Clean beard line, you can do this at home for free. A good quality belt, they're everywhere on Amazon for dirt cheap. And of course, clean sneakers. If you're still walking around in these, it's no wonder why people don't take you seriously. You don't need to go crazy and buy 10 accessories. You just need a few that will make a big difference. Getting into number 4, your body language is still 16. You can dress better, you can cut your hair clean, but if you move like this, fast, nervous, head down, shoulders rounded, you might as well throw all that other stuff out the window. If you want to come off as more mature, your presence needs to be slower. Shoulders back, chin level, eye contact when speaking, and of course, calm movements. And not in a loud, weird way where you're trying to overcompensate. It's more so like you're steady. Number 5, your grooming is low effort. Dry skin, uneven beard, eyebrows wild, oily forehead. You don't need a 10-step routine, you need proper maintenance. This will take you from like a 5 to a 10. Hydrated skin, controlled brows, and a light fragrance. Looking mature isn't about being older, it's about looking like you have your shit together. Number 6, you're leaning too hard into trends. And I'm not gonna lie, this can turn some people off. Super baggy, loud graphics, cartoon prints, and childish proportions. Trendy might be what's popular, but trendy isn't timeless. And if everything about you screams TikTok shop fit, you're gonna look younger than you actually are. So what you should do is balance it. Modern pieces. You can still throw in some trendy items in there, but you wanna make sure they're done tastefully. If you wanna look older, it's not about being boring. It's about knowing how and where to piece things. You don't need to change your face, you don't need to grow a beard overnight. Just control these signals and watch how different people treat you. Because maturity isn't age, it's presentation. And that's something you can upgrade today. And that's gonna do it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed this one, go ahead and leave it a like, subscribe to the channel if you're not already, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.